This video includes some questions and their answers in connection with World Environment Day. Question number 1. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Answer: June 5th. Second question. What is IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature. Question number 3. Who coined the term biodiversity? Answer: Edward Wilson. Question number 4. The catalogue of species facing the risk of extinction is the Red Data Book. Question number 5. The region on Earth known as lungs of the planet is? Answer: Amazon forest. Question number 6. When a species becomes extinct, another species associated with it also becomes extinct. What is it called? Answer: co-extinction. Question number 7. Name the two methods of biodiversity conservation. Answer: in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. Question number 8. The Earth Summit on Biodiversity Conservation was held in the year? Answer: 1992 in Rio de Janeiro. Question number 9. The venue of World Summit in Sustainable Development was? Answer: Johannesburg, South Africa. Question number 10. How many countries signed in the commitment in World Summit to reduce biodiversity loss? Answer: 190 countries. Question number 11. World Summit in Sustainable Development was held in the year? Answer: 2002. Question number 12. Method of conservation of organisms in their natural habitat is called? Answer: in situ conservation. Number 13. Regions on Earth having high levels of species richness and endemism. Answer: hotspots. Question number 14. Conservation of organisms outside their natural habitats. Answer: ex situ conservation. 15. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are examples of? Answer: in situ conservation. Question number 16. World Environment Day on 5th June 2025 focusing on the theme? Answer: combating plastic pollution. Number 17. Which country is hosting World Environment Day 2025? Answer: the Republic of Korea. Question number 18. Zoos and botanical gardens are examples of? Answer: ex situ conservation. 19. What is the theme of Earth Day 2025? Answer: our power, our planet. Question number 20. What is the slogan of Environment Day? Answer: go green, breathe clean, stop pollution, save planet. 21. Who is called the father of Earth Day? Answer: Gaylord Nelson. Question number 22. 55th Earth Day was celebrated on? Answer: 22nd April 2025. Question number 23. In which year World Environment Day was established? Answer: in 1972. Question number 24. Who designed the Earth flag? Answer: John McConnell. Number 25. When was the first Mother Earth Day? Answer: 22nd April 1970. Question number 26. What is the theme of World Water Day? Answer: glacier preservation. Question number 27. When was the World Water Day? Answer: 22nd March 2025. Question number 28. What is the theme of Forest Day 2025? Answer: forest and food. Question number 29. Which day is known as Forest Day? Answer: 21st March. Question number 30. Greenpeace organization was initiated in which country? Answer: Canada. Question number 31. Which is the first modern synthetic insecticide? Answer: DDT. Question number 32. What is the full form of DDT? Answer: dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Question number 33. Which book is considered as the key factor for banning DDT in America? Answer: Silent Spring. Question number 34. Who was the author of the book Silent Spring? Answer: Rachel Carson. Question number 35. What is the full form of POPs? Answer: persistent organic pollutants.